I wanted to talk to you about the recent report by the WorldCom Public Relations Group. They basically found that pharma companies are not currently using social media to their maximum advantage, and social media I know is an area that you work quite closely with. Why do you believe this is the case, if you agree?
Well, I think social media as a platform is a very open platform. If you haven't planned your project end to end before launching anything, in an industry which is so highly regulated, be it pharma or be it finance, you can get into trouble, which is why people have been skeptical. And also, if you look at digital within pharma, we've taken a long time to even realize the value to come to a level where we are today.
Definitely.
You can hear about people using AI and, digital health technologies and things like that, but it has taken us a long time. And still, social media came as a platform where we were not 100% sure that we're going to use it for business outcomes, but we use it now for business outcomes. So for me, I love using social media in the most, again, ethical and thought through ways. So plan your projects properly, do your due diligence properly. So make sure you have your social monitoring in place, your social media privacy policies in place. Also make sure that you're prepared for crisis management. So these are the things you need to think about.
Absolutely. But how can pharma best work within regulations when it comes to the use of social?
Well, pharma can. Like I said, you have to think about your monitorings, your crisis management, but you have to plan the project with your objectives in mind. And also within each platform, every platform is different. The way the content are created, the way the content is consumed. So you have to be 100% sure that tomorrow, if you're using a platform, say you're using TikTok, which is completely new.
I still don't know what that is.
Well, same here. I am in the digital space and I'm trying to figure out why a doctor who has just used a TikTok to send out messaging on vaccine would get into trouble. But we hear those kind of news, right? And which is why we have to be careful when we use these platforms. But that doesn't mean it stops us from using it. So you have a plan in place.